Today we will make silhouette drawing. For this silhouette drawings we will make first land like this. You can make first land and we will draw only two trees, two palm trees like this. And first you will make one tree here and one tree here. So palm tree use very light pencil. आप पेंसिल बहुत लाइट यूज़ करना. यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बॉटम. आपने यहाँ से बॉटम से स्टार्ट करा एंड ड्रॉ वन लाइन लाइक दिस. ड्रॉ वन लाइन. Again you will make one line. Opposite of this line. Here you will draw thick and either thin. On the top you will draw thin like this. Clear? Now we will draw 5 lines. On this area we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Only 5. After making 5 lines, you will start from this position, only this area, and first up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. Same here, again you do up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. According this up, down. Same technique you will use again and again, up, down, and joint it. Same here, only 5 lines. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same here, up, down, like this. Now here, up, down, up, down. Now here, up, down, like this. In here to the last 5 and same here, up, down. Clear? Again you will make second tree. So start from this bottom. Start from this side. Clear? So make first line. Same technique you will use very light pencil, and this area you make the thick and this area you make the thin. ये ऊपर का हिस्सा आपका पतला होगा और ये आपका ऐसे है. Clear? Here you will make 6 lines like this. From the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can make the 7, but I am making here only 6. Okay, the 7 you can make the 7. Like here you make 5, here we make 7. So again same technique you will use. Start from this area, only up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same technique you will use, up, down, like this. Okay, same here again, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Same here, up. Here again you can give the gap. ये बहुत फास्ट है, so you will give the gap here. on this area. Make first line, okay, and then start up down. This is thin. Here we make only one side, and this is the main side. Okay. Now here again, up, down like this. Only again same technique we use, same again and again. Here up, down. Both side and rub this way. Now here there is a small gap, then so we will rub it and make this up, down like this. Same here like this. You can start top or bottom, it is your choice, but continuous you do up and down, only up and down. Like this. Same. It is a very easy slotty drawing. The last, make the very small. In this area we will make the very small. बहुत छोटा सा बनाएंगे. We make very small. Leave one. Like this, very small. Very small. Okay. In this one. On the top, here we will make only one sun, so you can use any cap, but I am making free hand, and you can use the cap. एक छोटा सा कैप लेना, ये आपका बिल्कुल सर्कल होना चाहिए. You will use only circle, and after making this, 2 or 3, 2 or 3 like this. Here 4 or 5. After it we will use outline with marker or sketch pen. You can use this. Okay. You will use कैप. ठीक है, कैप यूज़ करना, नॉट ए फ्री हैंड आप नहीं बनाना. यूज़ कैप. देखो मैं फ्री हैंड बनाई तो मेरा यहाँ थोड़ा सी मिस्टेक हो गई. एंड देन यू डू आउटलाइन. You do outline with very neatly. You will do outline with a sketch pen. Same. Clear? Only inside, outside. We will do only inside and outside. Same technique here you will use. Like this. Very neatly work. ये नहीं देखना मैम जल्दी करिए तो हम भी जल्दी करें. नो, टेक टाइम बट मेक नीट. Only up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes. Now we make the outline here. सर्कल है छोटा सा. Draw parallel lines here and here, and update. We make the land. It is the complete outlining. Now we will color it. Okay. Okay, first you will fill. It is a crayons color. On the top you will fill is crayon color. Start. So you can turn your page according your hand. You can turn. You will start from like this. In the slipping way, like this, you will draw, fill it, and leave this area. In this way, you will fill the yellow color. Then you can leave your space like this. In the last, first always you fill sky in this silhouette, and last you will do and leave this area. Top to bottom. You will start from top to bottom. You fill light blue color and use only crayons color. It is the crayons color. Only crayons color you will do, not a oil pastel color. In the background, only you fill crayons color. I am saying you again you will do crayon color. Not oil pastel. Oil pastel हम सिर्फ black में करेंगे. और in the end, never you fill the black color first. Never. अगर आपने पहले कर दिया तो आपका पूरा पेज ही गंदा हो जाएगा. Like this. Now again you can see here. You can do dark. After it is a yellow color. We will fill here yellow. It is again crayons color. It is again crayons color. And it is orange color. And then you fill here orange color. is the orange color and it is red color. So one line according the shape you fill one line of the red color like this. And again it is yellow and orange and you will mix it. आपको ये डार्क करना है. Okay, you will mix it. Again you will do the dark. आप इसको डार्क करोगे, डार्क येलो. Yes, dark yellow and it is the orange. Yellow and orange, both you will do here, both. After this one, again you will do blue color and mix it. दोबारा से आप फिर से आप blue color करोगे and then you mix it. You can turn your page like this. Because आपका hand you can turn it like this. Because there is gap, बीच में gap है, तो then we mix it. Because I want to fill, there is gap, so we will fill. But remember, again I am saying you will use only crayons color, not a oil pastel. You will use only crayons. You can see. You can see this one. Now we will do dark. It is the dark blue color of crayons. Again we will do the shading on the top. हम इसको फिर से थोड़ा सा one side we will do dark like this. First we fill the light blue and now dark blue. You can see it. Only one side. It is the dark blue. Like a shading, you will not do the full, only do the lines, only give the lines, only give the lines. Okay, like this. Yes, again both side. Only one. You will not do the blue color, dark blue in the middle area. No, you will not do dark blue. Now it's clear. After coloring the background, you will fill crayon oil pastel color. It is your oil pastel color you fill in this tree. Remember, you will fill in the last. आप सबसे पहले नहीं करोगे. After making the outline, आप इसके अंदर कौन सा कलर करोगे? It is crayons color. ठीक है? It will, you will fill crayons color in the last. इन द लास्ट. सबसे पहले नहीं करोगे, आप लास्ट में ही करोगे. रिमेंबर, वेरी नीटली, क्योंकि आपको पता है क्रेयॉन्स आपके फैलते नहीं, ऑयल पेस्टर आपका बहुत जल्दी स्प्रेड हो जाता है, तो वेरी नीटली यू विल डू। एंड देन यू फिल इनसाइड, आपको इनसाइड जहाँ आपको लग रहा है कि आपका कम है वहाँ आप फिर से ब्लैक करो। And then वेरी नीटली, आपको बहुत नीट काम करना है। ओके, नाउ सेम हियर यू विल डू ब्लैक। Same here. Fill in every leaf. It's called silhouette. Like this. And mix. Yes. You will complete it. And last, in this area, again you will fill black. In this area, in the land, you again fill black. Black. Now it is complete. It is complete.